Hi everyone, welcome to another CountyCom one-take video. Today I have this mysterious brown cardboard box. Actually, it's a whole lot more than that. Let's look into it. This is the electromechanical service kit, part number B32-Z156. So those of you that have been following CountyCom, if you've been with us a long time, you know about our background in communications and electronics and how we've evolved, and we have different divisions, and and some of you may even know about our aircraft stuff. Well, we've been making tools for a while, supporting the aircraft industry, and this is a simple little toolkit. But our client asked for a couple little tweaks to it, so we made it exclusively ours. And you're gonna love the price. That's half of it. What we have is a million bits here. Well, no, don't quote me. It's not a million bits. And I know somebody's gonna help me and give me the specs. Nobody's gonna help me and give me the specs. Thanks, appreciate that. Whole bunch of screwdriver bits. Some of them, and we'll bring it in here, zoom in real close for you. Some of them are standard bits that you're gonna deal with every day. And some of them are a little exotic. I see some Torx in there. Oh, got a star bit. I think if you're a cell phone guy, you're gonna like that. If you are an access control guy, you're gonna like these spanner bits. We got some screwdriver bits. I see some hex, some more Torx. Got some triangle bits right there. Triangle bits, if you are a cell phone person, you're gonna love that. There are some oddballs here that I don't recognize. So there's a ton of bits in there. Let me get you back on focus here. Maybe. There we are, back on focus. So little service kit with a whole bunch of little bits. These are 1/8 inch drive. So you're probably gonna need a screwdriver handle for 1/8 inch drive. That's coming, don't worry. We have a demagnetizing tool, because sometimes, you either want to magnetize or demagnetize a tool. Well, that's exactly what this is. I'll see if I can focus in on it for you. There we go. Demagnetize, magnetize. So rub one side, rub the other. Very, very simple. Look at this, guitar picks for this aspiring guitar player. Well, our cell phone people are gonna know exactly what to do with those. And the rest of you, hey, here's a little tip that we've stolen from the cell phone people. When you need to pry things apart, and honestly, and you guys that are the cell phone techs know this is true. It started out with a guitar pick. It's very strong. It's very thin. You can sneak it in between things and pry open. That's where it started from. And then, hey, we're getting a little bigger, a little thicker, and a little more aggressive. The cell phone people started having special tools made. Yeah, it's a guitar pick that's been thickened. And, you can, this was for like the glass replacement. You can pry open, get in there, stick it in there, leave it, go get another guitar pick and slide it in, and slowly work your way around the perimeter of the display to open it up. But we'll give you a handful of those. Okay, now you want to see the other side. Right? But wait, there's more. Oh, I did that classy. So let me get you back in focus here. Okay. And just pop the lid like that. Okay. More little pry tools, because, prying open things, removing LCD displays. Well, how do you do it? Well, in the old days, you would do it with a piece of duct tape or gaffer's tape across the crystal. Well, somebody was smart enough to figure out, that a suction cup will work just fine. What is that? Little SD card remover? So this might be like the perfect kit if you're a UAV operator, unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAS, unmanned aerial system, right? You're replacing displays. You need the bits for running replacing rotors and doing other maintenance. So more pry bars. That's super cool. Another pry bar. And, well, here, let's get into this handle. This handle, I've never seen anything like it before, and I just think it is super cool. I saw it and I thought it was a ratcheting handle. It is not. It is an adjustable length handle. I pull the collet back and I can adjust the length. I can take it out completely, or I want to have a nice long handle. There it is. So I found that this works great. You put the bit from the other side in, and you can just use it fingertip control. But all of a sudden I need to tighten or loosen something more. This goes on and I've got some good leverage. Need a short little screwdriver. There's my short little screwdriver. Thought this was super handy. In between, boom, click a in between spot. You know, long. I just thought that was, you know, whoever thought of that was pretty smart. And we've got the swivel tip, so that lets you just go in there and really, you know, provide your torque or move smoothly. Let's see. Here is, I thought this was pretty cool too. So this is nothing more than a flexible extension. Let me get a bit. That's going to make things smoother, at least easier to understand for me. So let's say I've got, what did I grab at random? Oh, just a simple hex bit. So there it is, magnetic. I can go in there and I can do my work with the hex bit. If I can do this. I can put this in here, in the collet. And I'm trying to do it through the thing. And there it is. Now I've got flexible. I'm turning that bit at a 90 degree. That's a neat little thing. I can also, you know, goodness, if I'm really doing some crazy stuff, look at this. I've got, you know, an extension and I can do that. You know, for access control people, I think you might find that really handy for you, because those access control boxes are pretty short, tight, and sweet. But little magnet in there to help hold it. Let's go back to the other side. Did I miss anything? Oops. Come on. Oh, and a little adapter. Okay, so this is this whole kit uses the 8-inch hex bits. They're a little more standard than they used to be. They used to be kind of an oddball piece, but they're everywhere now. You know, but I know that for years we've used the 1/4-inch hex drivers. Well, here is an adapter. So there's your 1/4-inch hex handle that you've been using for years. I'll focus in on that. There we go. You've been using that 1/4-inch handle. Boom, in that goes. Converts it to 1/8 inch. And I'm trying to do it through the camera. There we go. So yeah, so your current 1/4-inch handle, now you can use these bits with it. Very, very handy. Little good idea. What else do I need to talk about on this system here? We're just gonna close this like it is. Oh, you know what? You should probably always close the lid when you flip it over upside down. That's gonna avoid ugly mistakes. Okay, what else do we need to know about? So this is, you know, this is what, goodness, am I missing anything else? You know, it's good for, if you're a pro, if you're an amateur, we've got metric in there, tri-wing bits, flat bits. Take a look at the website, because all the bits are listed there. There is a bit for everything, you know. Like I said, no matter what you're doing, if you're doing small electronics, small electromechanical stuff, this is quite the tool for you. You're gonna love it, you know, and like the price point on it too, because it's so easy to carry. You're gonna want to have one of these in all of your toolkits, all of your cars. Anytime you go mobile and have to fix things, well, why would you not have this? Okay. Well, hey, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for visiting. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until next time, stay safe, be alert.